Good evening everyone. Welcome to Professional Guide. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to write effective professional email. Most of you would have applied for job, but your email could not catch the attention of the client. That's why you did not receive any response from the client. But in today's video, we will discuss how to write effective email that will attract the attention of the client and it will ensure your job. Here on the screen, you see the format of writing professional email, and the format has been divided into elements. The first thing, your email address, subject line, email opening, email body, email ending, email sign off, and email signature or footer. Let's discuss about one by one in detail. So you see on the screen there is a image describing the email, as you see on the screen here. Two in the two column you will have to mention the email address of the receiver to whom you are writing the email. Write the email address of that recipient. On the screen, you also see in your email box CC. CC means carbon copy. It is not mandatory if you don't wish to send the carbon copy to anyone. So it is not needed to mention the email address of the recipient you want to send as a carbon copy. The most important thing is subject line. Your subject line must be very clear. In a sentence, you will have to describe everything about yourself. If you're applying for a job, so write in detail, like you give a specific small sentence and give all the details in a sentence. Like the motive of your email must reflect in your subject line. Here on the screen you can see, you can write your name, ABCD. I have mentioned in general. You can write your name here, full name, 10 plus years of teaching experience, sending CV and certificate for the position of English teacher. So here I have described the things, the motive of writing the email. So here you can also mention about your qualification or your experience or your motive of job title. You can mention here in the subject line. And next we see email opening. The opening of your email, you should open your email with a very humble salutation. And as on the screen you see, dear sir, ma'am, it is a pleasure connecting with you. As we know that entire world is facing a very hard situation. So in this time you must be very very polite, very humble towards the recipient. And the next line, hope this message finds you in a good health amidst these trying times. As I discussed, the entire world is facing a very difficult situation nowadays due to the wake of corona pandemic. Everything is shut down and entire world is facing the economical crisis and physical hazards. So better you need to you should be very humble and just caring sentence you should write. And now we will be discussing about the body of the email. Here you can write your full name. My name is ABC MA in English. You can mention your qualification if you are BTech, MTech, MBA, or whatever qualification you have. You can mention here after your name. I'm a trainer and teacher of English language skills. I have extensive experience in teaching and training. I have worked in Oman on a government project of women empowerment under NTF National Training Fund. I was the HOD of English, HSC, IT and Textile departments. I was directly reporting to NTF National Training Fund. Here on the first body you can mention about your qualification and your achievements. Whatever you have up till now, you can write it in a very short sentence. And in the next body you need to write, I wish to apply for the position of English teacher for senior secondary or secondary school. Whatever you want to, you could mention the job title, the job position. You can mention the name of the company. I have 10 plus years of CBSE school teaching experience. I if I get an opportunity, I will prove myself to be an invaluable asset to the organization using the best use of time, knowledge, and my experience. You should write something special to attract the attention of the client. Like what is special in you and why the company should hire you. You should write similar things that can attract the client. Now let's discuss about email ending, how to end the email. After the body, you can write waiting for your kind response, wish you peace, prosperity and happiness. You should end your email with a very respectful sentence. And next there is sign off. Sign off means like we see you're sincere, you're trustworthy, best regard, etc. So here you can write, you can mention your name, your phone number, your address, and after that you can in the settings section you can set your signature, but it is not required. So these are the things we have discussed to write a very effective email that will increase the chances of getting employability, and it will attract the attention of the client. Thank you for watching. Please keep subscribe, like and share. Good night.